These are the best robot vacuums you can buy. Number 5. Eufy Clean 11S. This slimmer RoboVac is only 2.85 inches long, runs quietly, and has a higher suction power of 1300 Pascal. When extra vacuuming strength is required for deep cleaning, RoboVac automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds. Vacuums hardwood floors for up to 100 minutes with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than a microwave in operation. Number 4. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Shark Suction picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, tackling even the most difficult messes in your home. With Matrix Clean navigation, the vacuum cleans in a precise matrix grid. Number 3. Irobot Roomba 694. With personalized cleaning suggestions powered by the unique intelligence of Irobot OS, the Roomba 694 takes vacuuming off your mind. Discovers your habits and routines. The 3-stage cleaning system removes dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors, and an edge-sweeping brush cleans corners and edges. Number 2. Shark Ion Robot AV71. To handle debris on all surfaces, the tri-brush system combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll. Shark Ion Robot detects ledges and stairs, avoids damaging furniture and walls, and maneuvers around potential stuck situations, demonstrating that it truly understands your home. The Shark Clean app allows you to start and stop cleaning as well as schedule your robot to clean at any time. Use Alexa or Google Assistant to have the robot clean your connected home at your command. Cleaning from floor to carpet for up to 2 hours. Number 1. Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum. This Lefant M210 robotic vacuum cleaner is ideal for pet-owning households. Are you still concerned that the vacuum won't be able to clean beneath the furniture? This Lefant M210, with a diameter of 11 inches and a height of 2.99 inches, fits easily under or around beds, sofas, and other furniture for thorough cleaning and high coverage. Strong suction power is provided by a robot vacuum powered by a powerful digital motor. The brushless suction structure ensures that pet hair and dirt are easily removed from the dustbin. Unlike roller brushes, suction does not entangle hair. Vacuum Cleaner Robot has 4 cleaning modes: Auto Clean, Spot Clean, Edge Clean, and Zigzag Clean. You can freely switch between modes and power levels using the Lefant app.